Hi, welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. In this episode, I am going to show you how to create two easy, inexpensive portable pen tip holders. So let's get started. Holder 1. For the first holder, you will need a rifle ammo box, some cotton balls, and a piece of felt. Todd got this ammo box at the Sportsman Warehouse. It is made out of hard plastic and has room for 22 pin tips. It measures 4 inches tall, 6 inches wide, and 2.5 inches deep, including the hinge. The top of the case says that it is a Case Guard RF22. To make the case pin tip ready, place a large cotton ball into each segment. Then place a pin tip into the segment on top of the cotton ball. If you want the pin tip to stand up more, then place 2 cotton balls into the segment. There is a lot of headspace above the pin tips, so they would fall out of their section if the case was inverted. To fix this, roll up the sheet of felt. Place it next to the case and measure how long it needs to be. Cut it to size and pack the trimmed, rolled up piece of felt into the case lid. This will keep the pin tips from bouncing around if the case gets inverted. Using some double-sided tape will help make sure the felt stays in place. You can use tweezers to remove any cotton balls you do not need. Do not place hot pin tips into the case. Only place cold ones in. The Sportsman Warehouse ammo case costs $3.99. The Target 100 count cotton balls cost 98 cents. And the Michaels 9x12 felt sheet cost 49 cents, or a grand total of $6.37 US dollars. Holder 2. For this holder, you will need a wooden box that is tall enough to fit your pen tips. You will also need a sheet of styrofoam. The box I used was 4 inches tall and 6 inches square. Begin by measuring the inside opening of the box. Then mark the measurements on the styrofoam sheet. The sheet I am using is 1 inch thick. Afterwards, cut along the pencil lines. I started out using an X-Acto knife, but the blade wasn't near long enough. I went out to Todd's shop and borrowed a retractable box cutter that had a really long blade on it. Then test fit the cut piece of styrofoam into the box. Don't be surprised if you have to trim it a little. I had to trim mine up several times before it fit. Make sure to keep a very snug fit so that it won't shift around inside the box. I experimented around with different ways to put holes into the styrofoam. My first couple of ideas did not work out very well. What ended up working best was the bottom of a Sharpie permanent marker. This created holes that fit my pen tip perfectly. Plus, the holes were small enough to keep the pen tips in place even if the box was inverted. Something that couldn't be said for the first hole I made. I do think that over time the holes will enlarge and allow the pen tips to fall out. To prevent this, you could place a piece of foam over the top of the pen tips. I'm envisioning something similar to the felt that we used in the first pen tip holder. I would demonstrate this, but I don't happen to have a piece of foam. If you need to remove the styrofoam, you can use a tool with a curved, sharp point, like this dental pick, and grab it along the side and pull it up. Do not place hot pen tips into the case. Only place cold ones in. Box 1 I found on Michael's website, and it cost $3.29. Box 2 was also on Michael's website, and it cost $6.49. The sheet of styrofoam was 1 inch thick, and it was on sale for $1. Regular price was $4.29. So the total cost would be between $4.29 and $10.79. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the information. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next week. Thank you again for watching my video. If you liked the video and found the information helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. Well, thank you again, and have a great week.